Hi, I'm Sandy Genovese and welcome to this episode of the Ellison Education video series. Today we're going to use a computer die in order to feature student photos. Here you can see that I've got the computer all set up and it's made out of paper, but it's dimensional, which makes it look really cool. And instead of a photo on this one, I've just used a whiteout pen to write the student's name. But we'll see how to put it together with a photo as well. Now here are the pieces on the die, and if you look at it, you can see that it includes the monitor. It also includes the keyboard and the mouse. So if we start here with the monitor, you can see that there are perforations, and the perforations are guides for where we're going to fold it. But before folding it, I've taken a photo of my niece's little girl, and I'm going to just put adhesive on the back. Now you would probably put more adhesive than this, but it's enough for you to see how to build this. I have guides, perforation as a guide that show what would be the screen portion of the monitor. So I put this right inside that perforated edge. And then when it's time to fold it, all you need to do is create a valley fold in this first section and then 2 mountain folds. And this tab is going to fit directly into, there's a slit built right into the die right here. So all I need to do is bring this around, put this into the slit, and then it will sit up. And sometimes in order to make it sit up, I'll go back and really crease, double crease on those other sections, and it just works perfectly. That's for the monitor. For the keyboard, you can see here, I've cut one out of purple, and I've gone back using the perforations as a guide. I'm not going to even put adhesive on this, but you can see how I can place it right over top of the sections to make it just look very realistic for the keyboard. Now I'm realizing I wish I would have stuck those down because I want to show you how to fold the keyboard, and that makes it look dimensional also. So pretend like those are stuck down, and I'm going to just lightly fold, just mountain folds on both of those, and look how when you set it down, now it really sits up. So if you go back here to this finished one, it's just such a perfect way to be able to show the parents when they come to back to school night or when they come to open house. It's so cool to look around at all the desks and have each student's desk marked either with their photo or their name, and that way the parents can see right where their child sits. You know, with a paper computer on every desk, your classroom is going to look great for all kinds of events like open house and back to school night.